The Ministry of the Interior has warned Bahraini citizens not to get involved in fighting overseas by taking part in regional and international conflicts. In this regard, the Interior Minister directed the concerned security agencies to take the necessary procedures to put a stop to and prevent such activities. Further to the announcement, the Ministry made the following statement.
The Interior Ministry advises Bahrainis not to participate in fighting outside Bahrain by becoming involved with regional or international conflicts. The Ministry also advises against becoming part of extremist, religious, or other groups that are listed as terrorist organizations. Nor should one provide any financial or moral support that can be considered a threat to the security and stability of Bahrain or the region. The Interior Ministry asserts that it is following with great concern the development of the situation in Syria and maintains that some Bahraini citizens went to join the fighting there. The Ministry will take all legal procedures against those who are involved. This includes inciters and participants who are found to have violated Article 13 of the law that calls for the protection of community against terror acts. The Ministry confirms that the state penalty is no more than 5 years for any citizen who cooperates or joins any society, authority, organization, gang or group based outside Bahrain that endorses terrorism or provides training to commit a terrorist act. In an effort to prevent and fight such acts, His Excellency Interior Minister has ordered the concerned security authorities to do the following. First, intensify searches and investigations to discover and arrest those who have traveled to participate in fighting either by incitement, agreement, or assistance. A travel ban will be issued and the suspects will be referred to the public prosecution. Second, follow up social media on accounts and websites that promote incitement, recruitment, or offer any assistance for facilities or for such acts. Third, monitor and follow up all financial transactions, donations, and assistance for such purposes and arrest those involved. Due to the regional situation, the Interior Ministry has prepared a draft law to amend provisions of the Law of Protection of Community Against Terror Acts to ensure more deterrence against any citizen from committing mass violence or fighting outside Bahrain. In addition to participate in any way or receiving training inside or outside Bahrain in weapon making or operations that facilitate their uses through training, the Ministry will carry out required steps to refer the draft law to the Cabinet for constitutional and legal measures. The Interior Ministry asserts that terror acts are not human rights and that they disturb the supreme interests of the nation and the position of Bahrain as an Arab and Islamic country and its foreign relations. The Ministry calls upon parents to care for their children and supervise them to protect them from following a path of violence and extremism in order to safeguard the nation and its unity.